Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Kucoin episode 47, and today we are going to go over KCS analysis. As usual, if you don't know about Kucoin, it's one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with over 700 billion traded volume on the platform and 10 million registered users from more than 200 different countries. Kucoin has many features like margin trading, spot trading, mining pool, staking, lending, and many more with over 700 listed coins. If you don't have an account yet, I make sure to attach my referral link in the description below, and if you create an account through it, you'll benefit from 20% discounts on your trading fees. So let's get started, and as usual, cheers. As we clearly see, we've got KCS on weekly time frame to know where we are in the market or the overall picture. We have been trading inside this big wedge pattern. We have been bearish, and lately we have been in an accumulation phase, stuck inside a range in the shape of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We rejected the 5 round number, and now we are forming the right shoulder. So we've got our left head and now forming this right shoulder. That's why we'll be looking for buy setups on lower time frames, but for the bullish to take over from a long-term perspective and to have a shift in momentum from bearish to bullish, we need to see a break above this 11.3. In this case, it would be an impulse, and we'll be expecting higher highs and higher lows. But for now, let's take it step by step. We're inside this accumulation phase, so let's zoom into lower time frames and look for buy setups. If you zoom into daily time frame, as mentioned last week, if you remember, we have been stuck inside a range. As you can see, that's the left shoulder, that's the head also arranged, and now we are stuck inside the right shoulder. If you zoom a little bit in, we can see that the right shoulder for now is in the shape of a rising broadening wedge, and we are currently approaching the lower bound of this horizontal range and also the lower bound of this rising broadening wedge, which would be this zone right here. So we'll be looking for this buy setup, just like previously, impulse correction. So I'm trying to catch this next impulse movement till around round number 10. Of course, unless we break below this zone around 7.65, we'll be expecting deeper correction movement downward. But for now, let's take it step by step around the lower bound. So we are looking for buy setups. If you zoom into H4 time frame, we have been trading inside this rising broadening wedge as mentioned from daily, and we can see it in a cleaner manner that the bulls took over, bears took over, bulls took over, and so on. Lately, after rejecting the upper bound, the 10 round number, the upper trend line, the bears took over and we are trading lower. So we are currently in a correction phase just like previously. And we are waiting for the bulls to take over again for the next impulse move. And the nature of the rising broadening wedge is the bigger the impulse, the bigger the correction. And we are currently in this bigger correction, speculating a bigger impulse upward. But for the bulls to take over and for the bullish impulse to start, we need to see a break above the last major high, just like previously, for example, this, and so on. Currently, the last major high, as you can see from my alert right there, is around 8.6, which is this high right there. Of course, if we form a new major high, I'll be updating my last swing high to be like this. But for now, it's this zone right there. So as per my trading plan, I'll be waiting for this high to be broken, of course, from H4. In this case, I'll be expecting a bullish movement till this area. I'll be going for a long. It depends on you if it's on spot, on margin, and so on. For now, until the bulls take over, we can still get stuck inside this range in the shape of a double bottom, maybe in the head and shoulders. Let's see how it goes. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.